Mastering Email Marketing. Boost your ROI with AVS DigiZone. Hey everyone! Welcome to AVS DigiZone, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing, tech, and online growth. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone looking to level up your online game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something that can completely transform the way you connect with your audience: email marketing. Did you know that email marketing has an average ROI of 4,200%? That's right. For every dollar you spend, you could earn $42 back. But here's the catch. To unlock that kind of success, you need the right tools. That's where we come in. At AVS DigiZone, we've tested countless platforms, and we're excited to share the best emailing service for 2025. This isn't just another tool. It's a game changer. Here's why. First, it's designed to simplify your life. With high-converting splash pages, you can explain the benefits of joining your list in seconds, boosting signups by up to 10x. Plus, you can build multiple downlines at once, meaning more leads, more engagement, and more earnings. But what really sets this platform apart is its earning potential. You don't just grow your list. You earn up to $100 for every referral. That's right, you get paid while you promote. And with easy-to-use analytics, you can track your progress and optimize your campaigns for even better results. So why wait? If you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, click the link below to get started with the best emailing service for 2025. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AVS DigiZone for more tips, tools, and strategies to grow your online presence. And if you have any questions or need help, comment below. We're here to help you succeed. Ready to transform your email marketing? Click the link below in the description for the best emailing service.